Mr. Aman Sagargo. Mr. Aman, please join us.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Dear guests, a heartfelt welcome to this evening tribute to Jagjit Singh, the King of Ghazal. It's marking the eve of the 66th Independence Day of India. I would like to thank our esteemed performers for their contribution in making this event into something very special, and I sincerely hope that you will enjoy the show. Jagjit Singh was a prominent Indian Ghazal singer, songwriter and musician. Known as the King of Ghazal, he gained acclaim together with his wife, another renowned Indian Ghazal singer, Chitra Singh. Jagjit Singh is credited for the revival and popularity of Ghazal, an Indian classical art form, by choosing poetry that was relevant to the masses. His style of composing and gayaki is considered to be as Bol Pradhan, which has enabled him to place him in the hearts of over 1 billion Indians and people across the globe of various races, ethnicities and nations. With a career spanning for over 5 decades and a repertoire comprising of over 80 albums, the range and breadth of his work has been genre-defining. He is the only composer and singer to have composed and recorded songs by our Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee and was awarded the Padma Bhushan Award by the Government of India in 2003. His legacy will continue to inspire generations ahead of us. Let us first welcome the organizer of this show, the Message Trust Charitable Trust. Message Charitable Trust is a not-for-profit, non-political, non-religious organization registered under the Indian Trust Act. Since its inception, MCT is working in dissemination of Indian classical music with focus on popularization of the Kirana Gharana. It is also one of the most primary projects of this charitable trust is women empowerment. I would like to invite upon our managing director, Mr. Iqbal, to say a few words about this organization.
Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, again. Message Charitable Trust के through हम education, women empowerment, classical music, vocal music, plus जो हमारा folk music है, हम उसको promote कर रहे हैं. आज जो है इस भागदौड़ बड़ी दुनिया में जो हम हैं, हम सिर्फ वेस्टर्न म्यूजिक की तरफ भाग रहे हैं. जो हमारा अपना कल्चर है, जो हमारी अपनी संस्कृति है, हम उसको भूलते जा रहे हैं. तो मैसेज चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट जो है पूरी तरह से अपनी संस्कृति, अपनी सभ्यता पे काम कर रही है और इंशाल्लाह हम इसको और आगे लेके जाएंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर द टाइम.
Our first performance for the night is by Ahsan Ali Khan. He played, a talented young musician like Ahsan Ali Khan takes sarangi to a single-minded devotion. One can rest assured the future generations will also take pleasure in absorbing subtleties that the instrument is capable of. Born artist in the traditional musical family of the Kirana Gharana, a family of legends, Ahsan is the 7th generation of his family. The intensive training he had since he was only 7 years old under his father, Ustad Asif Ali Khan, has stood him in good stead, and he is presently regarded as one of the leading sarangi players of the younger generations. He has frequently performed at several music festivals in India and abroad, and has received accolades for his solo performances as well as accompaniment to many noted vocalists and tabla players. Sarangi is a very traditional instrument of India. Ahsan is a part of a music band called the Hum Ensemble with Yo-Yo Mama's musician and Sufi gospel project, and is performed abroad in festivals in Japan, India, China, Spain, at MTV Coke Studio, Singapore, Shanghai, and many other such nations. Please welcome on stage Shri Ahsan Ali Khan. Accompanying him on the tabla is Shri Rashid Niazi. Rashid Niazi is the son of the renowned harmonium player Ustad Karim Niazi. He has initially started under the guidance of tabla mastero Ustad Hamshad Ali Khan and Ustad Akram Khan of the Ajrara Gharana of Meerut. He has performed at various festivals in Mumbai and for various TV channels like ETV, Prasar Bharati, and abroad at the Mascot Festival. Surmandal Mozmi Khan.
We'll have a 1 minute. हम जगजीत सिंह की याद में 1 मिनट का मौन व्रत रखेंगे, and then we will continue our program.
and Muzammil Khan on the Surmandal. The rag I'm going to perform is one of my favorite rag Maru Bihag. बहुत सारी ऐसी पुरानी कॉम्पोजिशंस हैं, बहुत सारे ऐसे पुराने गीत हैं जिन्हें आप इस राग से पहचान पाएंगे और बहुत ही खूबसूरत राग है। इजाज़त आप ही सभी लोगों से इजाज़त लेता हूँ। एक शेर है कि बढ़ती रहे उम्र भी शोहरत भी मेरे, लेकिन बढ़ती रहे उम्र भी शोहरत भी मेरी, लेकिन मैं अपने बड़ों से बड़ा हो नहीं सकता। और मेरी खुशनसीबी है कि मेरे वालिद साहब यहाँ मेरे सामने तशरीफ़ फरमा है, तो वैसे भी गाना बजाना आधा ही हो गया है, तो इजाज़त आप सभी लोगों से इजाज़त।